We've all heard the quotation, "It takes a village to raise a child." Don't ever forget that your business is part of a community, part of a village. And what better contribution could you make to the community than giving your customers the tools they need to keep their children safe? The Kids ID's Child Safety product line features 3 products: our fingerprinting, DNA, and dental records kit, our comprehensive kids kit, and the one-of-a-kind Safetyville board game. I will introduce you to each of these products. Plus, I'll tell you how to get a custom high-def video for free, just like the one you're watching now, to help you advertise your promotion. The first child safety product is our fingerprinting, DNA, and dental records kit. Law enforcement officials recommend that parents store their child's fingerprints, DNA samples, and dental records in a secure, readily accessible location. Our kit provides an inexpensive means of completing and storing a personal data file for every child in the household. Secondly, our Safetyville board game teaches parents and children alike how to stay safe by answering questions to advance down safety lane. It's a fun, competitive, and non-threatening game, similar in play to a longtime favorite, Candyland. Here is just one of the over 150 safety questions that must be answered correctly. What should you do if a police officer knocks on your door? If you answered with, "Ask the officer to show you ID before opening the door," your answer is wrong. You should dial 911. Tell the dispatcher that someone is at the door claiming to be a police officer and follow the dispatcher's instructions. Now, if you're like me, you probably got the wrong answer. Not to worry, over 99% of Americans do. But here's the point that I don't want you to miss. That was only one of 150 safety lessons that are taught to parents and children while playing Safetyville. Can your customers afford not to get this game that teaches their family how to stay safe in today's new world? Thirdly, our product line also includes a kids kit, which is the most comprehensive child safety product on the market today and is helpful in the event an Amber Alert has to get issued. The kids kit includes a child fingerprinting, DNA, and dental records kit, a child safety car seat decal, a child safety bracelet, a hard plastic child photo ID and medical emergency card, an electronic ID, an official healthcare power of attorney form, a child safety poster, and $100 in computer games for children. This kit, valued at well over $100, costs your company only pennies on the dollar. Regardless of which safety products you choose for your customers, the bottom line is that you'll be sending them the right message, that you care about the well-being of their family. And in the end, this message will endear your customers to you and your brand and keep them coming back to your store over and over again. Contact us today for more information, because just for purchasing this incredible incentive product, we'll provide you with a custom high-def video for free. Just ask for your free video or simply click the free video offer banner on our website. That's up to a $4,000 value for free.